Okay, we're going to do the radian today. I put it on the Radio Master, so hopefully I got this right again. Pain in the butt. Okay, here we go. Oh. I love this plane. It's a great slow flyer. Look how nice that is. It might need a little trim work. She's pulling to the left. It just stopped raining too, so there's no wind or nothing. See if we can get her around. Yeah. See if we can go through the trees here. She flies so nicely, this thing. Yeah. Nice. I think it needs a new gearbox after the crash. Sounds really bad, the motor. Ooh, that was good. It's flying great. I wonder how the Hobby Zone Apprentice Stall 700 would do with this radio. I think the next plane will be the UMX Wacko. Probably do that tomorrow. Do one plane a day. Ooh, a little bit weird over there. You could really make some nice turns with this thing. Really close. Flies great, especially when there's no wind. When there's wind, she's a little crazy to handle. It's a good FPV plane with no wind. This fly's great. Yeah, fly through the trees, such short turns. Makes beautiful turns. Okay, we're going to glide her in, shutting it off now. Nice. What a great plane. I think I'm going to need a new motor, the new motor shaft. You know, the prop shaft, I mean. I think it needs a new prop shaft. She sounds like crap. I mean, she took a good hit. Let's see. Yeah, you hear it? Yeah. I think the gears are stripping. So we'll fix her up. Give this one to my daughter. Flies great. Alright, that was the UMX Radian in the yard today after the rain. Nice day, no wind. Great flight. Yeah, have a nice day. See you on the next flight.